Well, in our Public Safety Committee, we had a lot of discussion on current federal legislation. One of the big areas of emphasis for National League of Cities this year is the National Task Force on Opioid Dependency, which really is a significant national problem. And we're very proud that we think we're very close in Washington, D.C. to getting legislation actually passed, which is not easy in Washington, D.C. these days. But I think both the House and Senate have come together in a bipartisan way, working with the administration. And so we're hoping before our fall conference in Pittsburgh that we'll have that legislation passed, which will be very important on so many different levels for our communities. Well, I'm relatively new to the Public Safety Committee, but Mesa's had a long history of serving on the committee. And what was particularly gratifying today is that a big part of our discussion today was on the community paramedic program, what we call in Mesa our community response vehicle program. And it was very interesting. This topic was discussed several years ago in this very same committee. And a council member from Los Angeles, who also is a firefighter there, talked about how when the Mesa program was introduced several years ago, they've taken that model and created a pilot program in Los Angeles, and many other communities around the country have started looking at these programs from discussions that originated in this Public Safety Committee several years ago. But today was really nice. Councilmember Joel Navarro from Tempe really spoke about the Arizona experience. So many Arizona community fire departments have come together to share best practices on community paramedicine. And it was nice to have Arizona in the spotlight in a very positive way in terms of creating best practices for the communities that serve not only our residents, but hospitals, insurance companies, everybody involved in the healthcare system. And so today's discussion is really pretty gratifying, since this is an issue that actually I've worked on since 2008, serving on our own City Council Public Safety Committee for many years. And so it was nice to see outcomes really growing nationally from an idea that where Mesa was really one of the pioneers in the movement. National League of Cities has been a very important platform for us as a city to both learn and to both share in policy making on a national level. And our work there, combined with the work that our mayors have done with the U.S. Conference of Mayors, really have elevated Mesa's presence and stature on a national level. And I think the city has benefited greatly from that.